Hey everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today I am going to show you a free alternative to Elementor Pro. So as you can see here on my demo website, I currently have the free version of Elementor installed, and on the bottom of my page builder there is a little banner that tells me to upgrade to Pro in order to get access to all of the Pro features. Now, if you want to get access to all of the Pro features without having to buy a license, there is a website. It's called proelements.org. I did put a link to it in the description of this video. So if you go to this website, you'll be able to download Pro Elements, which is a free WordPress plugin that gives you the same Pro features that are already part of Elementor Pro. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see that this plugin, it is under a general public license. So that means anybody can install this plugin on their WordPress website. And it basically gives you all of the same Pro features that are already included with Elementor Pro. The only thing you're really not getting are any of the templates or the template kits and any support services from Elementor. So we'll scroll back to the top. I'll click download to download the plugin to my computer. And as you can see, here's the plugin already downloaded. So now we'll go back to the WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, and then we'll click add plugin, and then we'll click upload, and then we'll choose that Pro Elements zip file right here and install it. Okay, and then we'll click activate. Okay, plugin activated. So now if we come up here and just refresh this page builder, now you can see we have access to all of the Pro features of Elementor. We no longer have that banner across the bottom. So if we scroll down here, you can see all of the Pro features are now unlocked and we can use them on our website. We can also come up here to the little Elementor icon, go to theme builder. And you can see here now we also have access to the theme builder, which is not part of the free version of Elementor. So I hope you guys found this video tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.